Okay, guys. I just thought I'd show you the features of the way I have the Windows build tool set up for OSDF. Um, First, we're looking at a clean directory of OSDF here, and we are going to grab a completely new copy here. Actually, I'm going to do SSH, but you guys are going to have to use HTTPS because I have a key. Okay, so we can get started here. We'll go into cd GitHub, and then we're going to do git clone, paste. Oh, that didn't work out. Let's see. Okay, copy to clipboard. And yes, this is insanely large, but I figured you guys would be able to see it better. I might even keep it like this, I don't know. And we're going to have to do this as OSDF temp because I do already have this on here. Alright, so we're going to go into OSDF temp. And the next thing we're going to want to do, we're going to want to grab the dev branch. And then we're going to want to check out the dev branch. Alright, so we're ready to get started here. Now, we go into our build folder, and we're going to want to go into the QVM folder first, just to build the QVM. QVMs, plural. Run compile.bat. To fix a couple of those errors at some point here. Everything is okay. That's good. Alright. So we're going to copy that packo.pk3 file to our... let's see. It's not auto-completing for me. I don't know why. Let's see. We'll just go up a couple directories, I guess. No, we'll just try it this way. I don't know if this is supported or not. We probably want to do these. Alright, make sure it's in there. Okay, we've got our pack file that was just built, 7 o'clock, good stuff. Okay, moving on, we'll go into the Microsoft Visual Studio directory, and you're going to see that I have .user files in here and the .batch file in here. I've been told in the past that I should not put those in there, but I've decided to go against that advice to make things simpler for you guys. Now, if we do a cat on osdf.batch file, we'll see that we'll have to edit a few things here. Okay, I won't, but you may have to. First thing is your Quake 3 directory has to be, set up. I would recommend using Quake 3 for your development, just because, you want to have a cleaner path than what Steam offers. And then I've got Quake 3 EXE, which is my debug build of Quake 3E. Mod equals OSDF, of course. Map, we're going to set the SC1. Width 800, height 600. And then ArchX64, ArchLX8664. Probably leave those alone. I probably should have added something to set the R mode to -1 because -2 is more popular right now, and that's what I use. But when I'm developing, it's better to have it set to -1. So I'll probably do an update in the future to fix that. But at any rate, everything in here, all these paths and settings are correct. So I'm going to go ahead and run osdf.bat. And right off the bat, this is going to be super simple. We don't even have to change anything, okay? We should just be able to build the solution. And because of all those settings in the batch file and the way I have this configured, everything should be in that OSDF directory now. And it is not. What is going on here? Let's take a look at the post-build events. Maybe I did not add those to... Nope, they are in there. 3 succeeded. Let's see. Edit. Mod directory. Why is the mod directory not oh, I forgot to update. That's terrible. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna have to fix this and I'm gonna have to push this to the server because I wanted to shorten mod directory to just mod. So that is correct now. I'll be adding these changes, don't worry. So, and we'll change this to mod. And we'll change this one to mod. So while that's a little embarrassing, at least I did this video so that I could see that there was a problem, and now I can fix that. At any rate, if we do a build clean and then a build rebuild, now we should have all the files that we need. Okay, sweet. Now the only other thing I want to do is just, well, let's see. Yeah, I want to get these out of here. So let's grab these PDBs and, well, yeah, I can remove the Quake 3 ones too. Well, I'll leave the Quake 3 ones in there. Let's just get rid of these. And the DLLs here. Okay, so now we're in business. Now we've got the DLL files, the PDB symbol files in there, everything we need. So now, if we open up, let's say we want to work on the physics a little bit and do some tuning, which I'm not actually going to do here, but I'm just going to show you an example of some of what you can do. Let's go down to CPM init. Alright, so we actually want to see if CPM init is getting called, and we're going to put a breakpoint on, let's put the breakpoint on, it doesn't really matter. Let's just set it here for right now and see when that hits. And it shouldn't hit right away because the default pro mode setting is set to 0, DF pro mode. So we'll load the debugger here.
fight.
And
Prepare to fight.
that's the R mode. Well, no, that was full screen, that's why. So we got initialized pro mode 0, right? So really shouldn't expect too much here. But if we change it to just pro mode 1,
fight.
Alright, so now it's to pro mode 1. So if we rerun this map, we should hit our breakpoint. And we did. That is great news. So, alright. Hit the breakpoint. We've got our call stack here. Oh, let's see. What am I missing here? Watch one. Nope. Alright, so we can see that PHY Eric cell showing a value of 0. It hasn't been set yet, maybe. So go ahead. I'm going to step into that. And now we can see that the value has changed to a 1. Okay. We got PHY Eric cell next. So we'll do a step into again. And we'll see that value has changed to 2.5. So, I mean, this is a rough idea of the setup and the build tools, and you know, I've done it this way just to make things easier for you guys, and I will be fixing that mod directory issue right now and pushing that to the repo, and that'll be all. Good luck.